What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious red velvet s'mores cupcakes. Let's get into it. Here I have some marshmallow cream, and I just popped it into the microwave for a few seconds to kind of soften it to make it easier to go inside of my piping bag. So now I have the marshmallow cream inside of a bag fitted with the piping tip, and it's just going to help me to just poke a hole inside, fill it up, and move on to the next, hopefully. Now that my cupcakes are filled with the marshmallow fluff, I am now going to take a bowl of my American buttercream. This is just vanilla American buttercream. And I'm going to add all of the s'mores mix-ins, like our marshmallows, our cinnamon toast crunch cereal, and our chocolate chips. So let's throw it all in a bowl and make this magic happen. Now I have my ice cream scoop, and I'm just going to scoop it out and plop it on top. I'm not trying to make it look fancy or anything. It's just going to be really rustic and delicious. All right, so here I have whipped up a simple water ganache. All it is a bit of water mixed in with some chocolate chips and melted down until it's the consistency that you like. So I'm just gonna drizzle this over the tops of my cupcake. Now for the final garnishes.